Okay, today's taste test is Mars Soft Bake Double Chocolate and Caramel Cookie. Now that sounds like a lot going on in a cookie, and I'm so excited to try it. But it's so small, so I don't know how much caramel they're going to put inside, but let's try. Okay, it smells good. Where's the caramel? Oh, is that the oh, it's not really. Okay, you fooled me, Mars. So I thought it was like filled with caramel. It's just caramel bits, but it might be good. Let's try. Actually, it's really good. It's chocolatey. It's soft and chewy. That's good. That's really, really good. Like, I wouldn't actually go so far as to say it's caramel bits. Like, you know you're eating some sort of sugar. But it doesn't really taste like caramel. But the cookie is really soft and chocolatey and delicious. I guess double chocolate means there's chocolate chips in here. Somewhere. They must be there. Let's try. Maybe this is a chocolate chip. Oh no, let's try. Okay, I think I found a chocolate chip. So, it's delicious. It's chocolatey. Is it everything it says, like all that in a bag of chips? No. Yes, there's chocolate chips, but you don't really taste them. And the caramel chips don't really taste like caramel. But the cookie is good, and it's chocolate. So there's that. And I like it. Good job, Mars. Really good job going outside the box, making cookie. I like it. It's really good.